Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach about some of the counting in Chinese, how to count in Chinese from 0 to 10 and then again to like 100 and 1000, how to say in Chinese. Also, I'm going to discuss about some of the very special words which usually students don't understand in basic Chinese. So welcome to my second video of lesson 2 of HSK-01. Let's start from the countings. Countings from 0. How to say 0 in Chinese? In Chinese, 0 we say ling. Ling. Ling in Chinese, how to write? Ling in Chinese, we write it as this, and his. This is ling. Ling means 0. 1 in Chinese is yi. We write it as from left to right, only single line. 2 in Chinese is er. We write it as 2 lines. 3 in Chinese is san. We write it as 3 lines. 4 in Chinese is si. We write it as form a box and then 2 curved lines. 5 in Chinese is wu. We write it as wu. This. 6 in Chinese, 6 we write it as liao. We say liao and we write it as this. 7 in Chinese is qi. We write it as this. 8 in Chinese is ba. We write it as this. 9 in Chinese is jiao. We write it as this. And 10 in Chinese is shi. Is this. So you should remember from 0 to 10. Again, repeat with me. 0 is ling. First tone, and we write it as from left to right, then top to bottom, then top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, then pie na dien, left to right, then pie again dien. So this is ling, means 0. 1 is e, single line from left to right. 2 is er, 2 lines from left to right. 3 is san, 3 lines from left to right. 4 is s, make a box first from top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right, then this curved line, then this curved line. This means 4 or s. Wu means 5. In Chinese we write it as left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right. This is wu, means 5. 6 in Chinese, liao. We write it as this, left to right, this. Means liao, means 6. 7 is qi. We write it as slang line here, and from top to bottom, then left to right, then make a curve here. This is 7, means qi. Ba in Chinese, 8 in Chinese is ba. We write it as 1 curve line here, then make a long curve line here. Ba means 8. 9 in Chinese, jiao. We write it as this curve line, make left to right, and this curve line like this. Means 9. 10 in Chinese, shi. sh, sh we write it as Chris sign. Okay, so this is third tone, guys. Jaw. Okay. Oh, now you should remember then above 10 how to count. Like if there is 11, we say 10 plus 1. In Chinese, how to remember 11 or 12 or above 10, how to remember? So split the words to remember these in Chinese. Like 10 we say shi, 1 we say yi, so we say shi yi. Shi yi, shi yi means 11. Or we also can say, because it's 1 here, so we can also say yi shi yi or shi yi, both we can say. Like 12 we say in Chinese 10 plus 2, so shi er, because 2 is 10 is shi, so shi er. Just like that, from above 10 we can add up the two words. Like let's say random example, like 57 in Chinese. So 57, how to say 57? So we can say 5 into 10 plus 7. You can split the words just like this. 5, it is 50, right? It is 7. We split the words. 7 we say 7. 50 we say 50. 50. So how to say 57? 57 is 57. Randomly example, like 93. How to say 93? 90 plus 3. So 3 is san. Here 90 in Chinese is jiao, and 10 is shi. So jiao shi san is in Chinese 93. And you know the character of jiao. Jiao we write it as jiao. Shi we write it as shi. San we write it as this. So this is 93. Very simple. Chinese is very simple in counting about 10. Okay, so you can split the words. Split like if there is words like 57, so split it 50 plus 7. Split in tens and then ones. If you get the words in 3 digits, like if you get the words above 100, so first of all we should know that what is 100 in Chinese. 100 in Chinese, we say 100 in Chinese is bai. What to say? So we say 100 as bai. Bai we write it as this. So again, left to right, then slang, then top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right, left to right. This is bai. Bai means 100. So if we got the word 107, how to write 107 or how to pronounce 107 in Chinese? We say 100 as bai, so 100 plus 7. So it is bai, and it is qi. But here remember, it is 100. 100 we spell in English. So it spell in Chinese yi bai, and we can say yi bai qi. Yi bai qi is 107. Okay, so like this we can count any word above 100 or above 10 by splitting the words and make in Chinese the split words. Okay, so about now the next word is 1000. How to say 1000 in Chinese? 1000 in Chinese we say qian. How to write it as? Qian we write it as Qian. Okay, Qian. Remember, guys, this is a slang line, but this is straight. We make Qian. Qian means thousand. How to say 10,000 in Chinese? 10,000 in Chinese. So 10,000 in Chinese, we say one, one. And how to write one? One, we write it as this. So remember, guys, 10,000 is one, and we write it as this. So this was all about the countings in Chinese, guys. Hope you understood well how to count in Chinese. So repeat with me again. The zero in Chinese is ling, and we write it as this. One is yi, second is three in Chinese is san, four is si, five is wu, six is liu, seven is ji, 8 is ba, 9 is jiu, 10 is shi, and 100 is bai. And I told you that how to count about 10 is just split the words and make it in Chinese. Like 11 is 10 plus 1. So 10 here is 1. So yi shi yi. And 12 is 10 plus 2. So yi shi or shi you also say both are right. Yi shi or shi And like 57, randomly take 50 plus 7. So 50 is 50. So 57, wu shi qi. And above 100 we say like it is by, or we also say 100. So e by. So e by is 100. 100 is by, so e by is 100. So 107 is e by qi, e by qi. And 1000 in Chinese is qian, and we write it as this, qian. 10,000 is one. Hope you understood all about the lesson second, that is countings in Chinese. Thank you for listening and stay connected. The continuation of this video will be in the next video, and so if you have any suggestions or doubt, you can ask in comment box, or you can message to my email, which I will put in the description box. Thank you all.